how to stop your eyewear fogging up when you're wearing one of these. I should have a really good answer to that, and I didn't, but I do now because I have scoured the internet and I've rated them out of 10 for you. So we're going to start with the control. Putting the mask on, we're going to see maximum fogging, okay? So we know now how bad it can get. I'm going to start with the first one. This is a bar of soap, it's got glycerin in it. I've been carrying this around with me for about 4 months now, and I haven't used it that much because it doesn't work that well. It does work though. So we're going to scrape it all on here and now wipe it in, and it's on the back, on the inside of the lens obviously. Most soap has glycerin in, so any bar of soap can do. It's not that good. The best thing that this has been is with a nice smell in my bag for the last 5 months. So I'm giving this a mighty 2 out of 10. Now my second solution, we can use any tissue. Let's take this tissue and just put it on the inside of the mask, and it creates a barrier at the top of your nose and the mask, so the idea is that the air doesn't leak out and up under your glasses. And we'll give this a try. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's certainly an improvement. I'm going to give this one 5 out of 10. So my third experiment is these rubbery things. They work in exactly the same way as a tissue, but I got a big pack of them off eBay. They weren't expensive. Form a seal over your nose when you've got the mask, and they stop the air coming up. I have to say, through my experiments, you've got to get it in the right position, because if you have it too high or too low, you'd be scoring 1 out of 10. Try with the glasses. You see, it really does work, but I find it a little bit uncomfortable. My nose is pinched. I feel like I've got a cold and I can't hardly breathe through my nose. So yeah, it works, but I'm still only giving it 5 out of 10. So my final solution is something I saw on Instagram. I've slightly modified it to make it more cosmetically pleasing, but basically you carry a little piece of tape like this around, and what the chap was doing was putting it on the top of the mask like this, and then you're creating a perfect seal. I'm slightly worried I'd rip my eyelids off doing that, and it also doesn't look that great. So I'm taking this same bit of tape and I'm turning it into double-sided medical sticky tape. I'm going to put it on the inside of my mask, creating a perfect air seal along the top. It feels very natural because it's medical tape. It's not obstructing my airways. My glasses fit where you'd expect. And I have perfect steam-free spectacles. So I'm giving this 9 out of 10 and not 10 out of 10 because you lose a mark for the teardown. If you like my film, please do like and subscribe, because I've got lots of videos about eyewear and making eyewear, manufacturing eyewear, fun stuff on eyewear. So click here, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.